2023 RCF Winter War. WOD 3 Avalanche. On a 10-minute time cap, partners will complete a descending order of thrusters and an ascending order of D-ball over the shoulder. Partners can split up the thrusters however they choose. Once the thrusters are complete, partners will move on to the D-ball over the shoulder. Once again, partners can split up these reps however they choose. After each round, the weight of the thruster will increase. Teams will be responsible for changing out their own weight. While one partner is working on the D-ball, the other partner is allowed to change the weights on the barbell. After each round, the thrusters will decrease by 2 reps and the D-balls will increase by 2 reps. Standards for the thruster. Starting from the floor, arms, legs, and hips must come to full extension at the top of each rep. Hip crease must go below parallel on each rep or will be considered a no rep. Standards for the D-ball over the shoulder. Starting from the ground, the D-ball must reach the shoulder and fully clear over the top of the shoulder. Not coming to full extension or rolling off the side will be considered a no rep. Those are your movement standards for Avalanche. Good luck at this year's 2023 Winter War.